This is a brand new pair of all white sneakers, and for the next 30 days, I'm gonna wear them rain, snow, sleet, hail, dirt, whatever, no matter the weather, no matter the outfit, and these are the only shoes I will be wearing. Why? Because at the end of the 30 days, I'm gonna see if I can bring them all the way back to life, and this is the ultimate test for sneaker restoration. Let's get into it. Alright y'all, so it is officially day 2 of the challenge. Today is April 17th, a Thursday. Given that it's day 2, they're not too beat up yet, so more to come. But yeah, this is kind of like my outfit for the day, and we'll continue our day, and I'll check in if anything crazy happens. Customer asked me to make these brand new again. Those were his exact words. Straight cooked, bro. Like, there's no bringing these back. Alright y'all, so we got our first bit of rain from the weather, which is honestly exciting. As you all know, I've been hoping for, you know, some weather to make the challenge a little bit more difficult, but I'm just going next door to get some food. Yeah, so I thought I'd share that with you all to give you all an update. Alright y'all, so we are now a week into the challenge, and I can comfortably say these Hokas do not look brand new anymore. I have on the classic black BTB Kicks shirt with the white text. I'm wearing these Levi cargos. They're extremely baggy. Got these from the thrift. And then the Hokas. We're only a week in. I'm actually surprised they're as dirty as they are. But just want to do a quick little check-in. Easter was great. It was raining on that day. I'm not being careful with these shoes. I'm wearing them every day like I'm supposed to. And yeah, this challenge has been fun. So let me give y'all a little twirl of the fit, but also the shoes. Alright y'all, so it is 3 weeks into this challenge. This is my fit of today, BTB Kicks Earth Day t-shirt. Throwback, if you know, you know. The Hokas are so cooked, man. Like, they used to be the same color as my socks. Like, these are new socks, that brand new white, but now the Hokas dang near look like an off-white cream, and it's honestly disgusting. Like, I'm not even that type of person to let my shoes get like this. I don't feel like myself wearing these shoes. They're just not clean. But we got one more week. We're almost there. It's almost the 1-year anniversary party of BTB Kicks, May 10th. Today's the 7th. It's Wednesday. Next Wednesday, I'll take these shoes off, and I will show you all how I clean them up. But without further ado, let's get this close up for today. 3 weeks in. Whew. Well, you already know, basically from the intro, that we wore these Hokas for 30 days straight. And this is now the portion of the video where, yeah, we clean them up. They were cooked. Wore these every day for 30 days. Now it's time to clean them up and bring them back. I did not expect these to get as dirty as they did, but of course, being a sneaker restorer, we're gonna bring these back to life. Before we dive in, I'm just gonna do the right shoe on camera, and then I'm gonna do the other one off camera. And we're gonna start to clean. Putting that in the shoes, and then we're just gonna remove all the laces. Whew. I will say during this challenge, these shoes were comfortable, so I was never in pain wearing these shoes. It was honestly cool wearing these. Only downside was the fact that they kind of looked a little crazy with like regular clothes. If I was trying to bust a fit, they just kind of looked like I was trying to be a dad or something. As you all can see, a lot of markings here on the toe, like literally the whole shoe cooked. And what we're gonna be using today to bring those back is, we got some crepe. We got the Cure by Crepe. Use code BLA10 to get 10% off. This is one of the best cleaners that I've ever used. Has a pleasant smell, and then we're gonna give it a couple dashes in the solution. First things first, we're gonna use a soft bristle brush just to lather up and break down some of that surface dirt on the uppers. And I'm pretty sure these are gonna clean up pretty well. Hopefully the stains haven't sat in there for too long. The plan is to clean up the uppers by hand and then clean the bottoms as well. And then we're gonna move on to the mechanical to get an even deeper clean. And then after that, we're gonna throw these in the wash. And of course, if a customer comes in, you know what I gotta do. I gotta drop what I'm doing.
So Blake, how would you say your experience was wearing these for 30 days, besides the actual outfit-wise?
Comfort-wise, they were great. Had no issues. The thing is, I've had this shoe before in a different color. I just thought the white color would honestly be better and would go with more outfits, because the color I had before was like a neon green, and it's like you really can't match a bunch of stuff with the neon. It's kind of tough, but white I feel like goes with anything. All right, moving on, we're gonna take the stiff bristle brush, clean the midsoles a bit more. Upper still could use some work, but we're gonna hit that with the mechanical shortly. Then we're gonna hit the bottoms. Lather that up really quick. And then we're gonna hit it with the steam. Yes, sir. We switched back to our OG steamer, the Bissell Steam Shot. They finally brought it back. My favorite steamer of all time. Hey, Bissell, man. Hey, hit me up for, you know, for a little partnership. I mean, I use your products all the time, but hey, that's beside the point. We have cleaned both pairs. They're looking a lot better, but of course the wash will get them all the way back, or at least more than this. What we're gonna do is put these in a laundry bag, sneaker laundry bag. So basically now that we have that in there, gonna tighten that up, throw them in the laundry machine. And then we're gonna be using Amazon Basics laundry detergent packs. I like to use the free and clear version because there's no color to these, and it won't. It has no odor either, so it's better for the shoes, just in case you know, somebody doesn't want their shoes to smell a certain way, or you know, the dyes from the other detergent might, you know, discolor the shoes. So put one of those in there, close it up, turn that bad boy on, speed wash on cold, and I'll see you all in 30 minutes. All right, y'all, we're back. The shoes are out of the icebox and dry, and what can I say? They look great. So last but not least, last thing we have to do to these is just lace them up, and then we'll be done. So let's lace them up. All right, y'all, that's pretty much a wrap on this 30-day challenge and restoration. The shoes came out great compared to how they were before. I'm definitely just gonna put these right back into my rotation at the end of the day. And if y'all like the video, do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.